Jet Power open-type diesel-powered generator, equipped with high-quality breakers, which escort the safety of the generator. Water-cooled famous brand Cummins diesel engine, which is efficient and energy-saving. The generator is fully operated by Stamford Technology brushless alternator. 50 degrees Celsius radiator maintains stable temperature in hot area. 6-cylinder diesel engine with full set of filters. Clear fuel meter quickly locates fuel capacity. Emergency power supply with CE and ISO certificate. We believe Jet Power, with over 20 years experience, will be your best choice.